Good morning, y'all. Don't mind the mess. So today is, what day is today? Today is Sunday. I'm sorry, I just had a brain fart. Yes, y'all, it is June 1st. Welcome to my vlog. I forgot to say, if y'all hear that in the background, let me close this door. If you hate on my mess, I'm not gonna say it, but you know what I'm about to say. But so I'm doing laundry right now. I have a few errands that I need to run. About to be summertime, and that means that mangoes are in season. Y'all don't know this, but now y'all will know. I love mangoes. They not only like the best fruit in the world, they're the best like sweet treat. You can put salt and pepper and vinegar on them. You can put some tahini with that chamoy sauce on them. Like, it's just never ending. You can eat them dry. You can put them in a smoothie. I was gonna say frozen, but that would be nasty. You can put them in a smoothie. You can just do so much with them. Like, mangoes are they're just that girl. They're so versatile. So I'm gonna go to Sam's, get me a nice little case of that, get some new curtains. I'm gonna either go to TJ Maxx for that or Marshall, and then we're going to the Beltline later on today. I might do some more stuff, like I gotta do some laundry. But yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Just a really chill day. I do want to relax, but I do need to get those things done. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me for that. And then we'll just see where the wind blows us. It's a Sunday, so I'm chilling for the most of the day. I'm not working or doing nothing crazy. I think I want to go get these bar stools too, because I broke one of my bar stools and I only had 2 of them, so now I just have 1. So I gotta get new bar stools. I was thinking about doing that today, might not. We'll see. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Okay, y'all, so we're getting gas right now. We got some mangoes, some water, some apples, some bananas, and like, I think that's it. I did want to look at some curtains, but I don't know. Oh, I need to go to CVS. I gotta get me some sunscreens. And I just realized I have a 30% off coupon at CVS, because in this economy, even if I'm not struggling, I still want to, save my coins. That's what we're going to do. Then after that, we're going to the Beltline. So I'll probably see y'all once we come back from the Beltline. We'll see. One thing about Burt's Bees, and I feel like it's Burt's Bees. Might be, what's that other? Carmex. No, it's Carmex. So Carmex has like this hand cream or something. It's so moisturizing, and I had found that cream like years ago. I was like in high school and I was obsessed with it, and I don't even know if they sell that cream out anymore, but that cream was the stuff. Ooh, I think I found it, and it's on sale. I know that's right. Okay, so they're saying that mineral sunscreen is the way to go. I'm gonna try it out, because it's like, what else? Like, y'all, so it is the next day. It's June 2nd, like 10:30, 10:23. I just did some yoga. I did like 20-minute yoga. It was relaxing. I think I liked it. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I think I'm gonna finish editing. I might go get some coffee and go to like Starbucks or Barnes and Noble. I can't work here. I can't work in my house, not every day. And it's been working for me. I forgot how nice it was to change up your environment for work. I'm about to get started on breakfast.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for you. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be
Hey y'all. It is, look at my June 3rd, 2025, 11:38. So I'm out and about. I wanted to show y'all this drink that I got. And I usually go to my coffee place in Marietta, but I just didn't feel like going all the way over there. Okay, something happened with my camera. But what I was saying was the coffee place that I usually go to is actually not in Marietta. It's in Vinings. But I just didn't feel like going all the way over there. I went to Dunkin' instead. I was supposed to go to Dunkin' and get like my usual little coffee drink. But I was like, let me do something different. Like, I want to do something different. So I got this mango nata. I didn't even know that it would look like this. I thought it was just going to be a mango drink. Luckily, I like the chamoy stuff because I think that's what's in here. So this is what it looks like. It tastes good. It's not like super like it's perfect, but it tastes good. I'm on my way to Barnes and Noble again. I didn't get to show y'all yesterday Barnes and Noble because I did not go. I didn't go. It was so much to do in my house. It made no sense, y'all. But I'm going today. I'm dressed. I'm ready.
Show that you cry.
And we woke up in Mars. I'm at Whole Foods. It's too hot for up here. I'm parking downstairs in the parking lot, in the parking garage. It's just too hot. So me and Candy, my baby, we parking downstairs. Too hot. It's 83 degrees outside, but it feels like 94. Yeah, so today was a pretty good day. I got done with a full YouTube video. I'm really proud with myself. I'm about to go home. Oh, let me show y'all what I got from Whole Foods if you want to see. Sandwich bags, cotton swabs, cotton rounds. I got some apple cider vinegar. Y'all, it's summertime and like my favorite fruits are in bloom now, so I can eat them now. And baby, really, I think it was the veggies that I cooked the other day. Either way, when you cook healthy, those vegetables, those fruits, either they attract flies or they have the flies in the flesh. So baby, I got fruit flies everywhere in my house. everywhere. I put up 2 traps with like apple cider vinegar, sugar, and dish detergent. When I tell you I evacuated like 50 flies, 50, and I didn't even get all of them. I got like all the adults. Now it's just like babies flying around, like they're really small. It's bad to me. Having flies, period, is bad. So obviously I ran out of apple cider vinegar, so I had to give me some more. The day before yesterday, I was filming something. I got distracted because a fly flew on my camera. That's not okay. That's not okay. Alright, so we about to go into CVS real quick to return this. If y'all have not seen that TikTok video of what my face looked like, I look crazy. My face looked like the color of a stone. Is what the people say. The people said that it was the best thing for you, especially for like hyperpigmentation, acne scarring, for like sunscreen. Because when you wear sunscreen, and a lot of people might not know, but when you wear sunscreen is not protecting your face from getting darker. It's just protecting your face from rays, the sun. It's like protecting your skin from harmful rays. I think the sunscreen that I use, it doesn't protect my dark marks from getting darker, even though it does protect my skin from the rays and everything. And I was told that mineral sunscreen helps with that. It actually like helps fade hyperpigmentation, dark marks, and it helps to protect from them getting darker. And I tried this. It was not, This is $25. $25. Granted, it's 5 fluid ounces, so I get it's a lot in here. But baby, I'm not getting this. I don't want to look purple. No. So back to CVS to go.